In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bill on QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a vendor bill payment, so your accounts payable and bank balance stay accurate. First, sign in to your QuickBooks account. From your dashboard, look to the top left and click the New button. A Create menu opens. Under the Vendor section, select Pay Bills. This brings you to the Pay Bills screen, where QuickBooks lists your unpaid vendor bills so you can choose which ones to clear. Before selecting bills, choose the bank account you're paying from. Use the drop-down at the top of the page and pick the correct cash or checking account you'll use for this payment. Taking a moment here prevents posting a payment to the wrong account and keeps your bank reconciliation smooth later. Now select the bill or bills you want to pay. Check the box next to each bill you're covering today. You can pay a single bill or multiple bills at once, and QuickBooks will total the amount for you. If the amount due doesn't look right, pause and make sure the original bill is entered correctly. If you track credits or discounts, confirm those are already on the bill before you proceed, so the final amount reflects what you actually owe. Next, enter the payment details. Set the payment date to the day you're making or recording the payment. This date affects cash flow reporting and when the bill leaves your aging, so make sure it matches reality. Then choose a payment method, such as check, cash, or ACH. Pick the option that best represents how you're paying the vendor. If you'll print a physical check from QuickBooks right now, selecting check is appropriate. If the payment was made electronically outside QuickBooks, choose ACH or the method you used. You'll also see a field for a reference number. This is optional but highly recommended for matching later. Use a check number, bank confirmation code, or any identifier that helps you trace the payment. When everything looks correct, finish up by saving. Click Save and Close to record the payment and return to your dashboard. If you're printing a check immediately, choose Save and Print instead to launch the print workflow. QuickBooks will mark the selected bills as paid and create the corresponding payment entries behind the scenes. That's it. With these steps, your vendor balance is updated, your bank account reflects the payment, and your records stay tidy. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping!